Welcome everyone, Matt Oakley here, recording this on February 25th, 2026. Today we're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I'm hoping to ride Rock and Roller Coaster before it shuts down for the maintenance slash retheming. The retheming it's in Muppets, so I'm hoping to ride the Rock and Roller Coaster today. And it's just like so much to do here in Hollywood Studios. Like they have this like brand new impressive animatronic coming to one of the sections here. So we're just gonna be talking about that and ride today. I invite you to join me, shall you? We're here in this beautiful Disney park. Especially, this is like my favorite looking Disney park, honestly. My favorite looking Disney park, but my favorite overall is Epcot just because of the experience you get there. But my second favorite is Animal Kingdom because of the experience you get there and how much detail they do with the theme on top of it. This first update comes actually right behind me at the Animator's Palace, or Animator's Courtyard. Animator's Courtyard, they actually released some concept art for what the animation section is, where you draw your animation characters. They made like an impressive Olaf animatronic. I'll put a picture of it above the screen right now so you guys can see it. It's like a very impressive Olaf animatronic, and I'm very, very excited for that, honestly. I would put my hands above that construction wall, but if I put my hands above it, it's actually supposed to be looking at the wood, unfortunately. The concrete update, or the update walls. I'll still be looking at that, unfortunately, if I put my hand above it. I'm at the site of the next construction update I'm going to show you guys. This update I can see from a distant on an angle, so I'll show you guys what I can see from here. That is where the monsters, or the Muppet Vision 3D used to be. Here's the update that I have on this land, specifically where the Monsters Inc. land is going to be. It's what I'm showing off right now. So the update is with this. Supposedly Josh D'Amaro, the new CEO of Disney, told them to think bolder, to think bigger. They have no concept art of what Josh D'Amaro told them to do yet. That's why I'm just circling around this with my camera, honestly, showing you this thing. But Josh D'Amaro told them to think bigger, to make this land better, to think bolder. And there'll be no way for me to bring the camera over the thing for you guys, so you guys see what the construction update is from here. So let's talk about what that update could possibly mean. That probably means that the Monsters Inc. land, it's going to get delayed, honestly. I hate to tell you guys this, but I think it's going to get delayed. But it's sort of better, honestly. Now that Josh D'Amaro is the CEO, he's more on the theme park side of the company than the movie side. So he knows the theme parks is actually like the moneymaker for the company. So that's why that was a good thing that he delayed. That's going to get delayed for a good reason, I feel like. It's going to have like a more like incredible theme in, like how the land I'm currently in, like Galaxy Edge theming, it's phenomenal theming in this land right now. This is actually where the next update is in this land. We're coming up on this side where the next update is I want to tell you guys about. This is the update I'm kind of low-key very excited about. I ran into some stormtroopers. The next update is actually on Smugglers Run, the ride I'm looking at right now. The update is with this ride is on May 22nd. It's having a very exciting update in my opinion. They are bringing Grogu and Mandalorian onto this ride for an appearance, and that has me very excited for this ride. Because it's actually one of my favorite Disney interaction rides they have, and once they do that, I was like, oh cool, I love the Mandalorian show, so I can't wait for that. It's one of my favorite part of the updates, probably. Man, I would love to be a stormtrooper walking around Galaxy's Edge all day for my job, honestly. I'm near the entrance where the Galactic Star Cruiser used to be, and I have no clue what's going on over here, honestly. But it's crowded. The next section I'm about to go to, it's kind of new, but like within like 4 months new. But there's something I want to try there anyway, so we're going to go there and just so I could try it, honestly. This is what's new, the popcorn and snack stand that they have built over here. The snack that I really want to try from here that I'm going to go in this line to try right now. And this is the other new snack that they have at the Pizza Planet Pizza Rolls. Or Spring Rolls, Pizza Planet Spring Rolls. I'm looking for a section to give this a try, but they're being like very strict where the tables are at near the Woody's Lunchbox, so I can't even find a good section to try this yet. I'm in Hollywood Studios right now. I'm doing this like the Epcot style, honestly. Me on top of the trash can, like you normally do in Epcot, honestly. So let's get this thing to try. I just dipped it in the marinara sauce. Give it a little swirl. There it goes for you guys to see. Oh, this is actually better than the one in Magic Kingdom, actually. Yeah, this one's a better flavor than one Magic Kingdom. As you guys see, it has like more meat in there. You just have to dip it in here, the marinara sauce. Yeah, this is definitely better than the one in Magic Kingdom. I enjoy it a lot. So, Rock and Roller Coaster is temporarily down currently. It's been like that since the earliest morning. Or it's been like that since like 9:30 this morning when I was at Animal Kingdom making that vlog. But I do want to take you guys on a ride while we wait. So we're going to go on Star Tours, since that's only a 5-minute wait. And I haven't been on that in a while, and I haven't got video footage of that ride. So it's 5-minute wait, we're going on that thing.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it.
Stop right there.
Don't shoot.
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go.
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get hurt. I'm saying Arthur. No! Arthur, I don't like the look of this. And it just got worse.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Then stay close.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is no time to hear rabbits. Thank the maker. And you, back this instant. Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. A transmission.
I am Mars Kanata, and I come to you with an urgent message. The shadow on the dark side is spreading across the galaxy. My friends in the Resistance need your help. Even you. Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
Arthur, we are not going. Yes, we are! This is suicide. We'll be smashed to pieces. In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't take them.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done.
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here, Batu. Yes, Atu, I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away! Go away!
Believe it or not, that actually was my first time at Star Tours in like 10 years. Or not 10 years, like 2 years. It feels like 10 years. And I actually really enjoyed that ride still. I know a lot of people hate it because they get motion sickness, but I don't personally. I like that ride a lot, honestly. I can see why you don't like it because of the motion sickness thing, but I don't get motion sickness, so I like it. And every time you go on it, it's pretty much a different ride every time. The current time is 12:10, and I'm willing to stay in this park till like 2:30. Rock and Roll Roller Coaster has not opened yet. Everything's at like 110-minute wait. Well, Tower Terror is at 110-minute wait over down there in the distance. And Star Tours was the lowest wait with 5 minutes. Everything's like almost 2 hours, an hour. But I don't want to waste all my time on one ride, honestly. I'm not sure if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like that you won't want to waste all your time on one ride. Like the rest of the time, like I don't want to wait like 2 hours for a tower. I love Tower Terror, but I don't think it's like a 2 hours to 2 hour late. And yeah, I just don't feel like waiting like that long for a ride, honestly, today. And I did Expedition Everest for my roller coaster earlier, that vlog. So I'm like not sure what to do right now. Well, I do have something to do. So a couple months ago, I came back over here like the end of October, beginning November. I really bought the Rock and Roll Roller Coaster guitar pick for myself, but I ended up giving it to someone that I thought was going to be my friend. And meanwhile, me and her, that person are not friends anymore, but I'm heading to the Rock and Roll Roller Coaster gift shop to buy that pick again for myself this time. I'm just gonna keep it to myself, that guitar pick. And I'm gonna check out that area and see if they have an estimated time when they think it's gonna be ready, but I heavily doubt they won't, honestly. So in case I wanna see it from the sign up there, it's still down. But honestly, I still want to check out the gift shop for this amazing roller coaster, honestly. I will go on see if I can get in that line just in case it does reopen, honestly. I will see if I can get in that line if it reopens. I want to leave till 2:30. If I wait on the ride, it'll be this ride because this is the last chance I get to ride it with that Aerosmith demon that it has on there. So I can go to the gift shop first and get the guitar pick. Well, that was the biggest letdown. They actually have no guitar picks left. But it looks like they're about to open up the ride because I saw them testing it from the back over there. So I'm gonna go wait online and see if they'll let me. Because there's a line up over there already. So I can see if they'll let me wait on the line until it reopen. Or I literally just reopened as I got online. So this is awesome. Perfect time for me. I'll see you guys on the ride.
Oh, that's no pre-show. That sounds.
Well, that's probably my favorite ride on Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. Ironically, it's like my last ride on the Hollywood Pride Rocket was my favorite one. But I'm gonna get a picture for the thumbnail here. I'm glad I waited when I did, because look at the line now. The line's like over here, and it's 70 minutes, and I only waited like 40 minutes in total. The ride went down in between the wait thing, in between when it went back up and wait. So I've only waited 40 minutes total, but I can get my thumbnail picture here. So let's talk about the replacement for a Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. The replacement is actually going to be, it's going to be the same coaster, just that they're redeeming it. They're putting the Muppet Mayhem band on there. So it's still going to be good, but that could mean something else for the villain show. The villain show could be redeemed to the Muppet Vision, according to what I'm hearing. I did borrow a Rock and Roll Roller Coaster t-shirt they had there, just because I actually do love that roller coaster. I know a lot of people hate it, but I actually love that coaster. I really do love that coaster. It's sad for me to see that go away. That's like one of my favorite coasters growing up, believe it or not. My vacations when I was a kid was coming to Disney World riding this pretty much. So it's just sad to see the Rock and Roll roller coaster for Aerosmith is gone. But I do love my Muppets, so can't wait for the Muppet update. Well, thank you for watching this vlog, and the vlog is over.